This is Mike Reed with CNelect, and welcome to this week's proprietary research analysis. This week we're going to focus on natural gas and talk about our view that U.S. natural gas production is actually declining. This is a contrarian view. EIA and most other pundits believe natural gas production is continuing unabated, up and away. We disagree. We believe U.S. natural gas production peaked October of 2018, about 3 months ago, and has been in decline since. We're going to walk you through 4 data points that kind of led us to this view. The first data point is we look at North American natural gas rig count. Again, this is U.S. and Canada combined. This represents about 80% of our gas production. Our North American rig count is actually down 9% year on year. The second data point is we look at North American rig count, again including Canada. We're up slightly. We're up 3% year on year. Now both of these need to be put in the context of depletion rates have actually skyrocketed, so we have to drill a lot more just to maintain production. So if you take that and you couple with that these are not rosy rig numbers, it leads you to suspect production may have peaked and is declining. Let's go ahead and advance to the third data point. If you look at natural gas production growth year on year, it peaked at about 12 BCF a day back in February 2018 and has since declined to only 2 BCF a day. Now this can be a little bit of a confusing chart. This is added to the prior year's production. So what it's saying is, yes, we're up 2 BCF relative to the same month last year, but the same month last year plus 2 BCF is still less than it was in October of 2018. So production growth is slowing. In fact, it's not slowing gradually, it's slowing rapidly. Let's look at our fourth and final data point on the right. What we've done here is we've taken the EIA's production numbers for October 2018, and we've gone ahead and put our year-on-year views on top of the prior year's November, plus our production growth views prior year December, plus our production growth view prior year January, plus our production growth view. And you see that we get a precipitous drop. We show natural gas peaking at about 87 BCF a day in October. Today we see it between 80 and 81 BCF. And I need to qualify the 80 to 81 BCF. We only have 2 data points in January of 2019. We have 2 more weeks to go. When we get the completion of all 4 data points, that number may change. I don't know if it's going to go up. I don't know if it's going to go down, but we only have a partial month representing that 80.5. So for this and much more information, you can visit us at CNelect.com. Let me go ahead and close. Let me go ahead and close with why nobody has seen this to date. I think it's being masked by 3 things. The first thing is we've had an incredibly warm winter to date. Yes, it was cold early November, but since then it's been incredibly warm. So what are we doing? We're injecting gas into storage. It gives us the impression that there's more production gas than there actually is. The second reason is we've got gas to coal switching. When gas went above $3.23 per million, boom, we started shutting down natural gas generation power plants, started running flat out coal generation power plants. Again, saving that gas and putting it into storage, giving the illusion we may have more gas than we really do. And the third and final reason is industrial demand has actually been down over the past 6 consecutive weeks. You combine these, they mask what's going on with underlying production. Should one or more of these reverse, I think you're going to see a lot of the energy media start harping on, wow, natural gas production is actually down year on year. For this and much more information on natural gas fundamentals, please visit us at CNelect.com.